Let's solve one previous question of set theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2010, question number 3. What is the possible number of reflexive relation on a set of 5 elements, and 4 options are given. I already discussed during relation lecture that number of relations possible equals to 2 power n square, and number of reflexive relation possible equals to 2 power n square minus n. 2 power n square minus n reflexive relations possible on a set of n elements. Here it's given 5 elements, means n equals to 5. We just put 5 in place of n, so 2 power 5 square minus 5. 2 power 5 square is 25 minus 5. It is 2 power 20. It's present in option C. So answer will be option C, 2 power 20 reflexive relations possible on a set of 5 elements. Answer is option C. I already discussed reflexive relation during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.